how you can add custom fonts to your Figma project. So it's very simple. First step is to open dafont.com and here search for any custom font. For example, I like this vintage charm. I'm gonna open it. And now we're gonna click on download on the right. Here you can see some preview, you can read it. So I'm gonna click on download. Now click on save. And it's gonna be saved like .zip. So we're gonna double click it. In that zip file you can preview the font. Here is the readme.txt, you can read it. And the third file is .otf, or you can see it as TTF. So you're gonna double click it and we're gonna click on install. If you are on Windows, you have to extract it and then install it. So I'm gonna click install. Now I want to search it, vintage, it's here. So I'm gonna click and open my Figma and I want to restart it. Then open Figma again. So you can create a text, press T on your keyboard, select and type here your text. If your text is selected, on the right menu bar, go to typography, select the font and now search for our font, which should be Vintage Charm. So as you can see, here is my new custom font, which we installed to our Figma. It's also shown as new font. So if you click it, you can use it, and this is how you can add any custom fonts to your Figma, and it was pretty simple. If you have any question, make a comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.